Hey, it's Ed here from Geek. We're a Google Ads partner or premier partner agency, and we specialize in lead gen for local business. And a niche that we excel in is in the restoration space. So, water damage, mold, fire restoration, smoke damage. Those are campaigns that are typically very difficult to run and manage, but it's a space that we do very well in for our clients. So, where we are right now is inside of a client that is running for water and fire. And just want to run through some stats. This client is a $100 a day budget. They're running 5 days a week. Over this 30-day period, we've gotten them 99 clicks. Average cost per click is about $22 a click. We've gotten them 32 leads with an average cost per lead of $69 and a conversion rate of 32%. So what does 32% mean? A conversion rate is the percentage of people that actually clicked on ads that became a lead. So 32% is roughly every third person that clicks an ad is becoming a lead for this business. So, the one thing I love about the restoration niche is the job sizes. They can be 5,000, 10,000. We just had a client email in yesterday that had a $30,000 job. So it puts a giant smile on my face. This is a niche that we do exceedingly well in, and we love working in. So if you are a water damage company or mold removal or fire restoration, fire smoke, and you need help running a Google Ads campaign, or it would be a new endeavor for you and you just want some context on how this all works, you could always give a shout out. I will drop a link below in the description, and it will link to an application page on our website that'll set up a time for us to chat and see if we're a good fit. Again, my name's Ed here. I'm one of the owners here at Geek. We're a premier Google Ads partner agency, and we specialize in lead gen for local business. And this is a niche I love being in. And, I will leave you with this simple thought. What would 32 extra leads do for your restoration business on a monthly basis? How much potential revenue is that? I mean, you know your average job size. What does that many at bats? What would that mean for your business? So I'll leave you with that. If you need anything, link in the description to reach out and say hello. I'll talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye.